In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save passwords in Dashlane. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to make sure your login details are stored safely so Dashlane can fill them in for you next time. First, open Dashlane in your browser. If you already use the browser extension, look toward the top right of your browser window. You should see the Dashlane icon there. Click that icon to open the Dashlane panel. This is the quickest way to access your vault and add new logins without leaving the page you're on. Inside the Dashlane panel, look for the plus sign. This is the Add button. Click it to start creating a new login entry. You'll see fields for the website, your username, and your password. In the website field, type the site's address. It helps to use the address of the login page or the main site domain, so Dashlane knows exactly where to offer autofill. If you're unsure, you can copy the URL from your browser's address bar and paste it here. Accuracy matters because Dashlane uses this to match your credentials to the correct site. Next, enter your username. This is whatever you use to sign into that website, often an email address or a unique handle. Type it carefully to avoid small mistakes that can cause sign-in errors later. Now enter your password. You can type it or paste it if you have it stored elsewhere. Take a moment to double check for typos. A strong password is key to staying secure, so use one that's long and unique for this site. If you're creating a new account, consider a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to strengthen it. When those fields look good, click Save. Dashlane will add this login to your vault immediately. From now on, asanas. When you visit that website, Dashlane can recognize it and offer to fill in your username and password for you. This not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of typing errors. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the website address you entered matches the site you actually use to log in, especially if a service has different regional or subdomain URLs. If you have more than one account for the same site, you can save each one separately with its own username and password, so you can choose the right one when signing in. That's it. You've added a login to Dashlane, and you're set for faster, safer sign-ins going forward.